Hello guys, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a game. It's called Dino game. Let me press green flag, and here you go. Let me miss, and it stops. So that's a game. Actually, I'm gonna show you now the original game, and because I use it like a reference, dinosaur and cactus and everything, and it can be also complicated, like it can have scores, level, everything. I'm gonna show you the simple version. It's very easy to do, like basically just few lines of code, very little of drawing. So yeah, here is the original game, and let's do it. I'm gonna delete this sprite that I have already, and maybe I will change my size of my project. So I go to advanced and I change it, maybe I'll make it like 600. Yeah, so it will be a little bit long. And first of all, I need to create a sprite, dinosaur sprite. So I go to little kitten and I go to paint, I zoom plus, and I'm gonna use a little bit of simple shapes and a little bit of painting. So I use a simple shape and I have this color, kind of dark green, maybe even a little bit more dark. And for head I'm gonna do like this, something like this. For torso I'm gonna do something like this, and I'm gonna turn it and maybe like this. And you have here the reshape tool, so I just choose it and click it, and if you click on one of those dots it also has this antennas. So let me just drag it. You see you can change the shape of the head. Let me do like this, and this part has to go like down a lot because it's his neck. Let's click here and let's make the same, like going up like this. It doesn't have to be very precise because we're still gonna use like pixelated to make little cubes of it. Yeah, something like this. Nice. And to make an eye, I'm just gonna use eraser tool. Like I'm gonna erase, make it a bit bigger, like click here, and for mouse I'm gonna do like this. So we need to make a tail. I use the brush tool. Let me move it a little bit, and I'm just gonna make like this. I made his tail. Actually, dinosaur looks pretty much like a chicken. Here is one of his hands, here is another, maybe it will go down, and to make him run I'm gonna make like this. You can actually make like an animation, or I can show you how to make an animation, not just, you know, the simple shape, but animate him. For this I need to do right click on his costume and duplicate. I have two costumes already, and I need to move his hands a little bit, just like this. And I need to move his legs a little bit, just like this. So one costume will be like this, another will be like this, like this, like this. I can turn his head. Okay, let's click on his head, and he will like he will make roaring sound. So here and here, here and here. Fail? Yeah, why not? Let's see. He's gonna run and roar. It's absolutely looks very good for me. So let's change his size maybe to 30. If you want to change size, it's right out here. You can change out here, like select it all and change, or you can change out here. Let's put him where he's supposed to stay. And he doesn't look pixelated, right? I just painted like something like a chicken with whatever. Let's go to code and let's do like this. When green flag clicked and looks, or maybe forever do something and looks and set, and here we choose pixelate 220. You see our dinosaur? Or maybe that's a little bit too much, maybe 100 will be enough. Yeah, looks good to me. So we have a dinosaur, and to make his costume shift we have to do when green flag clicked, forever, and next costume. Let's test it. Oh, he's running a little bit too fast. Let's go to events. Let's choose wait between costumes, and we will wait like 0.1 second. You see, he's running nice and cozy. That's very good. So the next step, what we are supposed to do, we need to do a lion. So we go here to the kitten and we do paint. We use just regular line tool, color something grayish and a little bit thicker. And if you want to do straight line, you have to hold Control. So I just with Control like this, and I put this line where his leg's supposed to run. And here you go. Let's test it. Yeah, he's running. So the next step, we need some cacti. So let's go to little kitten. Let's do paint, and we use simple shapes as well. We don't need outline, and we do like this: 1, 2, 3, and we use reshape tool to make this stuff going a little bit more down. This stuff, let's put it like this. You see, it already looks a little bit like cactus. And I reshape it. Looks good to me. Let's make it smaller, like maybe 20. Yeah, looks absolutely good. Let's put it somewhere here. You can complicate it, like you can make more. They're gonna be levels, like few cactuses, whatever. And let's apply the same effect. We go to our dinosaur, we go to the code, and I'm just gonna drag it and drop it. Hop, let's turn it on. You see, it's pixelated. Actually, it's not enough pixelated. So let's go here and put it like 150. Yeah, looks good to me. We have dinosaur, we have cactus, we have line, and now we need this cactus to move toward dinosaur. So let's do it like this. Let's hide him, put him like here. You see, he's taking a little bit, and when green flag click, forever go to where he is right now. So you see, Scratch already gives you coordinates where he is now. Go to X and Y and where he is now. So he is where he is. When game starts, he goes out here, and then he has to glide. So let's put him where he's supposed to glide, like here. And here we have glide 1 second to where he is right now. So let's put it like this. Let's test it. Yeah, it's going well. Look, cactus going, and that's it. Let's make a glide like 3 seconds. Yeah, it works good. Stop it. Okay, now the dinosaur part. Let's go to dinosaur. Let's move our blocks a little bit aside. And dinosaur has to jump. So to jump, he has to change his y-axis. So here is X, here is Y. Y, it's up and down. X, it's left and right. Vertical is Y, horizontal is X. So we need to change his Y. When I do something, I need to pull out space, key pressed. So space, that's the biggest, the longest key on a keyboard. When space is pressed, he has to change his, let's go here, change his Y, like this. Let me test it. He changes, but not much, a little bit. Okay, maybe so he has to do it like 10 times. So let's do it, repeat 10 times. Oops. Repeat 10 times, change Y by 10. Let me put it. Yeah, he jumps. He jumps, but he doesn't come back. So we need to do the same operation, but with minus. So duplicate. Let's put it, repeat 10 times, change Y by 10, and minus 10. So he will do it minus. Let's test it. Let's jump. And jump. You see, it works good. He is jumping. Nice and cozy. So what else you shall do? Okay. If he touches a cactus, game stops. Let's write this code. When green flag clicked, forever check if touching, if he touches sprite 3, that's our cactus, sprite 3, stop all. Let's go to stop all. That's the last piece of our code. Let's do it. Jump, and jump. Oh, I didn't. Okay, let's do it again. Yay! It needs a little bit of adjustments. Also, for him, we should write something like go where he is now when the game starts. Motion and go where he is supposed to start. Because every time I leave him somewhere, he doesn't come back. So when the game starts, he has to come out here. Okay, and jumping, maybe 20. Okay, let's do it 20. Repeat 20 times. Repeat 20 times. Yay! Look at this. Yaha! And if I miss, it all stops. So guys, if you have any questions, the easiest, simplest version of Dino game, how to make it, I just showed you. If you have any questions, or if you wanna know more, if you wanna lessons or more code, get in touch and get assigned for Tamagiki Academy, and get on the website and join the community. There is much more to go, so don't forget to subscribe. See ya.